Hey, buddy, Thomas here. So I just pushed down this old dilapidated building here and everything. Doing a little bit of fire right here. I've also got a big pile next to the road and everything where I pushed down some old trees. I've got to do just a small fire because I don't want to hurt the trees here, especially the tree on the right. The tree on the right here, that's a black walnut. So one of the things I'm very happy about that we have here on our Tennessee farm and everything is we've got a number of black walnut trees just in our front yard. There's a black walnut there, there's a black walnut there, there's one there, there's a couple over there. Long story short, we've got a pretty interesting grouping of trees. Now that big maple there, she's got to go. She's got an orange X on it, if you will, but I just don't want that overhanging the house. And then the tree right here, that's a pecan tree. Unfortunately, it's got to go too. And about where the fire is going to be, I believe I'm going to do a carport off to the side where cars pull in. So this is our property that we just bought here in Tennessee, 70 acres on a lake, absolute dream property. My parents, their property is, you can see the white building over there and that tree line. So they have all their 150 acres over there. And then you can't really see it right now, but I also own the property diagonal over that way. It's just 7 acres with a shop on it. But in 2003, when we first saw this property, as we're standing over here at the rental house that my parents had and everything, I told my then girlfriend, now wife, I said, I want to buy this property. One day we're going to buy this property. And it only took 21 years. So 21 years later, we do have said property. There's a lot of work that needs to be done on the house, but it is a very unique house. Nonetheless, it's got cypress siding all on the it's western cedar on the outside, I believe. We actually just got some more stain. We're going to restain the wood, try to save as much as we can. One of the interesting things, so yes, my channel is primarily about sawmills. We are probably going to change the name of the channel a little bit because of this property here. We're going to call it TC Sawmills and Homestead because we're going to be working on this homestead right here. This house, we're going to use a lot of stuff off the sawmill and we're going to build some amazing stuff. The garage right here, we're actually going to convert the garage into the master bedroom. We do have a couple boards that are going to pop off from the wall on the back side. We're going to put those across here, finish this up. Hopefully you will not be able to see that this was a garage, and I will probably put something else in front of this here just so it doesn't look like we took a house and converted the garage into a room. I want to make it where it doesn't look that way. I want it to look like it was originally done that way and go from there. The house is about 1,750 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's kind of interesting where the other commode's at. But we're going to make this about 400 square foot larger by converting the garage into the master bedroom and bathroom suite. So we're going to go through the house real quick. I'm going to talk about a few things that I'm doing and what we're going to be doing. Now, we've already done a decent amount of work on this place. I have already gone through and ripped out all of the flooring because it was atrocious, absolutely atrocious. And you can see there are sections of drywall that are missing as well because we had some termites. We've already done the replacement of 16 floor joists, 3 girts, and 32 feet of sill plate underneath the house in the crawl space. So all that's been taken care of. I have removed all the kitchen cabinets and hardware here, so we have essentially a blank slate to work with. And looking over here, I only had a small amount of termite damage there. Got some water damage on the floor there. Going to pop up the flooring there, not a problem. Really won't even have to do anything to those 2x4 studs there. I might scab on a piece of cedar. This is interesting right here. They apparently had plants right here and continued to water said plants regardless of where they drained. They just drained here onto the floor. So that was kind of interesting. But again, replace the subfloor there. Really no issue. The worst termite damage was up here. I had to rip all this out to see, okay, how much of this header board is bad. And for the most part, it's only on the outside piece here. So, and yes, it is bad. I mean, it's pretty bad. But the good thing is we have sawmills and we can fix this. But if you look up inside here on the back side, everything is good, which is awesome. I don't have any termites that made it up into that area. It looks like they stopped just right up in there. But I got to replace, my buddy just said, hey, don't even touch the backside here. Just pop out the front one here and we'll replace that. And we'll see. It's going to take some trickery and stuff like that. I have to figure out how to pop that sucker off. But anyways, it's not as bad as what it looks because we have sawmills. The damage, stopped right here. So pretty much this corner right here, not too bad. This is the living room. We're going to, the fireplace, we're going to stone it up and we're going to do an awesome mantle. So that's going to be cool. I do have to replace some stuff underneath here. This little knockout section here, if you will, they did not have it vented properly. The wood underneath of it kind of, rotted away and everything. So I'm going to pop that up, replace just a little girt piece or the joist pieces there, and not too bad and everything. And then we'll have a nice bay window there. I got to replace that light, that fan. But all in all, we're going to get it down to a blank slate. If you saw a video a couple weeks ago when I said it's demo day or whatever, this section right here, this is going to be, so there's a bathroom over there, but this is going to be a giant pantry. This is going to go back 6+ feet. It'll be a massive pantry. And then this space next to it, same thing. It's going to go 6 feet back. And it's going to be not a pantry per se, but it's going to be where we keep our larger appliances, or not even appliances, like party things. Like we'll put our ice machine in there. We'll put our mixer. We'll put our, air fryer, things that we don't use on a regular basis that we don't really want to keep out in the kitchen. Plus, it'll just be a big storage area. There's a lot of closets in here. And as you can see, this hallway is absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. One of the bedrooms here, this is the smaller of the bedrooms. I did have a little bit of termite damage over here. But again, pretty much just in the corner here. Doesn't protrude any further. Yeah, I was trying not to rip off as much drywall. Kind of got carried away. That's all good though. The other, spare bedroom here. This is the larger of the two spare bedrooms. I did have a little bit here and some water damage from the commode on the other side. But we'll be popping that out right there, cutting up that shower set up there, and we'll be tiling in a new shower and everything. Nothing that we can't do. I mean, everything's within our capability. But yeah, she's dated. She's very dated. I'm not a big fan of the cream color. But yeah. Whew. Nice little closet behind there. This will be the kids' bathroom, the boys. That'll be the boys' bathroom. This room, which is the master room, is going to be the girls' bedroom. I think this will be fun for them. They'll have a nice big room, everything. I got awesome views out the back here. We have deer that come out here all the time. I just ripped out all the trees on the back here and everything, getting that cleaned up. And this monstrosity of a bathroom, this thing is massive. We're gonna condense it down quite a bit because, as I said, those two closets, the closet thing and then the pantry, they're gonna come all the way out somewhere here. So I gotta get this monstrosity of a cream colored tub out of here. And I'll do a tub shower combo in this area here. Commode will stay there. We're actually going to keep the cabinets and stuff. They're actually really nice. We're just going to paint them and then get new countertops on top. But yeah, big bathroom. Girls will have a really nice bathroom to themselves, and we're going to do some cool built-ins and stuff over there. So that's the gist of the main portion of the house. And nothing out of the ordinary. We're not going to do too much with wood. We will do some tongue and groove or shiplap on the walls in the boys' room. The kitchen's going to be kind of over the top. We've got a plan to do black walnut cabinets with I don't know what kind of top we're going to do. I don't know if we're going to go slate or if we're going to go with like a quartz you know, whitish color. I haven't figured it out. But the island piece here, it's going to be pretty unique. We're going to do the black walnut cabinets for the island, but the top of it is probably going to be a very large section of beech that is going to be joined together. Beech is a very good wood for, you know, cooking and stuff like that, or butcher block type stuff. It doesn't transfer flavors and stuff. But anyways, it'll be pretty cool. This right here, this is going to be the master bedroom. As you can see, you step down a couple feet here, you go down about 2.5 feet. So that means your ceilings are going to be 10 foot tall. Because we're going to have 10 foot tall ceilings in here, we are going to do black walnut beams across the top. So imagine the door's gone. We're going to have 6 white oak posts on that wall, and then we'll have 6 on a wall that will join up somewhere kind of like where the open this door is here. We'll have 6 white oak posts, and then each one's going to have a black walnut beam going across. So it's going to be it's going to be 18 foot wide. I have 4 of those black walnut logs already to cut those posts and everything, but there will be 6 of those going across the ceiling this direction. We are going to do a fireplace on this side as well with an awesome mantelpiece. And then we're going to do live edge shelves on both sides. So when we're sitting here in bed and everything, we're going to have this awesome view of these black walnut beams across the ceiling. And we'll have the white oak post on the side. And then we might even do some joinery in the corners, like you would have in like a timber frame home and everything. It would be more decorative and stuff like that, but I think it'll give it that really cool, unique touch. The utility room will be over there. We're going to have a pretty cool, we're going to replumb the whole house, do a really nice manifold system and everything for all the water going everywhere using PEX and everything. So it'll be like your utility closet, then you'll go into a bathroom, then you'll have a sauna, then you're going to have his and her, or actually just a big closet really. So that's going to be pretty cool. But the sauna thing, after living in Wisconsin, the wife and I kind of fell in love with using saunas and saw the health benefits therein. So that's going to be a pretty cool thing to do. The door, so we will probably keep a door going out there as well. So I have to space it out. And we're going to do something unique. So we want to do a sliding barn door. I've seen this done. Instead of using, you know, typical built door, we've got that slabber mill, and I've got some really big slabs already cut up and everything. We're going to do a single slab as the barn door that slides open and everything. I think that'd be really cool, something unique, and I think it'll match, you know, all the wood that we're doing in this room. Also, the ceiling, we're not going to have, of course, the knockdown ceiling in here. We're going to have the tongue and groove poplar, I think. So we're going to have a mixture of poplar, black walnut, and white oak in our bedroom. And I think that'll be pretty cool. And those are 3 of my favorite woods. So I'm very excited about that. Look at that. You can see the pile of droppings from those guys. What are y'all doing up there? Oh man, he's looking at us. Anyways, this little breach, so here's the back porch. The back porch, of course, we're gonna redo this. I don't know if we're gonna do that, was it Trex, whatever that plastic forever decking stuff is, or are we gonna do that at white oak? I don't know, haven't decided yet. I want something unique, but we'll see. This will also have a roof over it. We're gonna redo pretty much all this, but it'll be nice. This breezeway is really nice, but the breezeway is going to go away because in this room out here, this is where they used to keep their plants and stuff for winter. So you've got these 2 back doors here that bring in all their plants during the wintertime, put them in here and stuff like that so they wouldn't freeze. But this is 21 foot long, and I believe it is 9 foot wide. By adding on this right here, I think this is almost like another 8 or 9 foot. It'll be essentially a room that's going to be 21 foot by, say, 18 foot. This is going to be the kids' school room, whatever you want to call it. And this right here is also where we're going to get those boards that we're going to replace on the front. So we're going to pop these boards off here, use those on the front. But we're going to, you know, enclose this area here, have a kid's room. This section here will have its own mini split. Our master bedroom, because I didn't even show you in here, but where this window is here, where the utility room is used to be the old laundry room. There's actually AC going into there. We're going to get a larger AC unit, and we'll put some more ducting that goes into our bedroom and everything, so it'll be on the main unit. But we'll put a mini split to control this space out here, and I think you know, that should be pretty easy to do. And then right here, we will have a door here. We have a washer and dryer here. So as I come in from the beautiful 70 acres that we have out here, and I'm filthy, nasty, whatever, I'll be able to come straight in, take off clothes, put them in the wash machine, go into that door, go right into our bathroom, and get cleaned up without tracking everything through the house. And that will make my wife happy. And happy wife, happy life. But again, there's a lot of stuff we still have to do with this property. We are just in the beginning stages. The timeline goal is to get this done before Christmas. That's pretty aggressive. We shall see. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to have a lot of help from some people. Some people from the YouTube channel, they're going to come out and help with me as well. Craig's going to come out here. He builds custom homes out in Utah, and he does amazing work. He's going to come out here and help me do some stuff. My buddy Tony down south in Mississippi, he helped me build some a front porch and did a lot of concrete work and stuff like that. He's going to come up here and help me. My buddy Neil, he's building his house down there in southern Mississippi as well, and he's got a Timber King 2020 and a YouTube channel, and he has just got over 1,000 subscribers. And I'll put his link in the description below. Please go check out his channel. Give him some support there too. Super good dude. Understands what it's all about running a sawmill. But anyways, we're going to have a couple people come up here and help me with the construction of this home, and it's going to be awesome. So we're going to start doing a lot of videos with this, but I can't wait to show, okay, yes, we're going to cut a big thing of black walnut beams and stuff like that, but then we're going to show you how we actually install them into the house. And then also here shortly, like in the next couple of weeks, we just got a big cedar job. We are going to start running some more YouTube videos with the Timber King sawmills and everything. I just got to get everything set back up. Again, the move has been difficult, but we are done. We are here in Tennessee. We are in God's country. This is where we need to be, want to be. Absolutely love it here. But I will say this. We absolutely loved Wisconsin. And I'm going to try to get back up to Wisconsin if I ever can, because I love it up there. So that is I would say it's my second favorite place ever to live. So Tennessee #1, Wisconsin #2. There's some great people up there, and just a great place to live. Very safe, awesome stuff. But again, quick little walk around the house. I know I'm scatterbrained because I'm probably operating on a couple of brain cells because of how hot it is. And yeah, how much water I don't have in me. I need to go get some more water. But yeah, stay tuned. A lot of stuff happening. Please like, subscribe. And then if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments below. I'd be willing to hear anything out there, because again, I've got a lot of stuff up here. We've got to see if we can get that into reality, working it here in the house. So yeah, we'll see you around. Stay along for the journey. Thanks.